The MSLB experience as a whole is the most unique program. Every experience that you get gives you connections to be able to advance your career into working into the sports industry. I think every single day within this program is kind of a pinch me moment, and you don't really believe what's happening and all the opportunities you get. I've met more people and been able to experience more things than I could have ever imagined. All 4 major pro teams, I've been able to meet people from entry level all the way to their executives. One of the highlights of my time here has been going to Australia and really be able to immerse ourselves within the sports culture that they have and able to kind of compare and contrast it to the US, which is also very neat given me being an international student and having that perspective as well. What attracted me to come to the program was all of the people who are invested in it and how integrated everyone that works within the program is within the sporting world, and their ability to connect you with everyone that they know from along their journey. So before I moved down to start at the MSLB program, I was given the opportunity to apply for a graduate assistant position within the MSLB program itself. I started off as a recruiter with the team and really helped onboard a lot of our students, and following that I was given the opportunity to be the chief of staff of the graduate assistant team and run workflow and kind of really help guide the next generation of MSLB graduates. The MSLB program is amazing for student athletes, whether you're a former athlete or you're a student athlete at ASU. It's very flexible and you have the ability to really thrive not only as an athlete but in the classroom, and you have so much support from your professors and the leadership team within this program to make sure that you can excel no matter where you want to go. If I were to give advice to someone who's contemplating coming to the MSLB program, I honestly could not recommend this program enough. I have been given every opportunity that I have from this program, and I think when you're deciding whether you want to go to a program or not, you need to look long-term, and the MSLB program is a program that will guarantee that you're going to be set up for success once you leave. You will be given endless opportunities, endless connections, all of which will help you advance your career in sports, and I think that's why everyone, wants to come to a program like this or a similar program is to get that job in sports, and this program will most definitely guarantee that.